What is up? We are back with another video. It's your girl Keishayla. Chris is not in this video because I'm actually doing a service for him. I'm making him some food today. We are trying a TikTok food hack. It be looking so good and I always want to try one. So we starting today. I am going to put on the screen like what it is. And then I'm going to remake my version of it. This version do got broccoli in it though, but the broccoli just don't do it for me. So I am going to be putting green peppers. We have our ingredients right over here. We have our chicken broth, our cheese, our cream of chicken, our rice that they had, the little rice packets. And I did get the ones with chicken and broccoli just so it can have some type of, broccoli in the mix. So right now we're finna, just get started. I did just buy some chicken. I'm gonna wash my hands and then season it and dice it up like they did in the video. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so now that I cubed the chicken up, diced the chicken up, whatever it is, I'm gonna get started with this process. Just putting all the ingredients in there and putting it in the oven. So I'm gonna watch the video over a few more times, just make sure I do it the exact way that they do it. And yeah. So we are finna cut up like half of one of these green peppers just to put, put a little in it. And then when we're done with that, we're gonna put it in the oven. Now we are preheating the oven to 350. don't know if you should eat it or not. It just came out. Yeah.
It is hot as hell. Thank you, though. You say it's still hot?
The chicken wasn't.
It's good. You say you finna bring me a plate just to eat off of it?
I'm sorry, I had to taste it.
Got him.
This might be a little hot.
That's real good.
Alright, I'm finna make me a plate. I'm like, come
Yeah.
on. You said, get off my shirt. If you do want to see more videos or him in more videos, then let us know down in the comments. It'd be your girl Shayla.
Your boy Chris.